Hi everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day. And for today's trade of the day, we will be looking at the Kiwi franc. Right, the Kiwi franc. Why I chose this pair is simply because the Kiwi and the franc has been the strongest moving pairs over the course of this week. Right, so what I have here is the Kiwi franc on the daily, and we see the price actually started off at this low and made a very strong push to the high, and it has clearly reversed. Right, so we want to use a Fibonacci retracement of this completed leg. So let's use a Fibonacci retracement from the low to the high, open all Fibonacci ratios, right, and we'll be able to see, that price has already broken below the 23.6, and we're going to look at where's the next graphical support level. Okay, of course the next retracement level is at the 38.20, but there isn't really a very strong graphical support level. If you look to the left, you will only see that price has only tested the 38.2 once, and it hasn't tested it since. However, if you look at the next retracement level, which is the 50%, and you look to the left, price actually tested it once and twice. So this is pretty strong retracement level, because after price tested it as resistance, twice, price would break above it and come back to test it as support. So I'm just going to highlight the 50% retracement level and use this as a take profit, a possible take profit level on the daily. So just highlight the 50%, and very quickly let's go down to the 4 hours. So I'm going to tidy up this chart, if not it's going to look too small for you guys to see. So you just want to focus on this area. Right, on this area we also see that price has made a push down. Right, price has made a push down. So we can also use a retracement now that we know that price should come down to a take profit. We want to see what's the best place to enter, right, and also put a stop loss. So let's use our Fibonacci retracement from the high to the low, open all Fibonacci ratios once more. And we see the price currently is testing the 23.6 retracement level, right, 23.6 retracement level. So I'm waiting for price to come back to this level before we enter a sell. A break above the 23.6. Let's look to the left. There is also a strong level where price used it as a support before. So if price were to break above this level, then it's highly unlikely that we are going to go lower. However, let's just try to keep our levels tight so as to allow us to be a bit more reactive to the market. So I'm going to highlight the 23.6%. So we have our sell entry over here. Right, so now that we have our sell entry, the next thing that we need to look out for is actually our stop loss. So using the same retracement level, once again open all Fibonacci levels. We want to look for a graphical area that is in line with a Fibonacci level, and currently it looks like the 61.8 seems like a strong graphical level. So over here, right, this level can then be our stop loss. Now why I chose 61.8 is because for a few reasons. The first reason is that it is a strong Fibonacci retracement level. The second reason is because it is a strong resistance. Previously it was a resistance over here, price broke above, went sideways, tested it once, reacted, it became a support, and now price broke below and tested it one more time. So it was a resistance, became support, and then after that support became resistance. Right, so this also allows for a very good risk reward ratio. So we have the 61.8, the 23.6, and our daily take profit. Now that we have our levels in line, last but not least, to hit the final nail into the coffin, right, you can use moving average. We use average exponential. Now 9 is too sensitive. Normally I'll use a Fibonacci number, because Fibonacci follows the fractal market hypothesis, right? And we can look at 34, and we can see that 34, when markets are in an uptrend, the 34 moving average holds prices pretty well, right, this entire area. And true, it is also true, when price is in a downtrend, the 34 moving average holds prices pretty well as well. So now that price is below the moving average, 23.6% retracement is also pretty much in line with the moving average resistance. So this is our trade for the day. So thanks everyone for tuning in to today's trade of the day. I wish you guys all the best. Take care and trade safe.